What's this?
It's a Toyota Century, super famous in Japan.
V12 5.0.
5.0. It was the pinnacle of engineering, even by today's standards, to be honest. So look at this one. You sit here,
Wow.
and you put your legs there for your driver to smell your feet. Don't forget that this car is over 20 years old. Every single option that you see in Lexus today is derived from this car. So you still have the navigation maps. It's outdated, of course, but it works in Japan. All of these vents everywhere. AC is obviously Japanese, super cold.
The engine does not make any sound, the comfort level is very high, the car body itself is tough as a stone.
Yes.
Everything is crazy. But the real question is, does this car give pleasure?
Of course, it gives pleasure.
Basically, this car can eat a Rolls Royce for breakfast.